Hi guys, if you are facing low call volume issue and want to increase incoming call volume on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all, go to settings. Now here scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. Now here tap on volume and then tap on this three dot icon and tap on media volume limit. Here simply turn it on and increase the custom volume limit to full. Once you increase the custom volume limit, simply go back and increase the volume of each sound from here. You can see. Now go back. Once you have increased the custom volume limit, scroll down. Now here tap on sound quality and effects. Here you will be able to see different type of options. Now here simply tap on equalizer. Equalizer is normal now. Simply select the custom. And now from here, increase the sound frequency according to your requirement. Now go back. Now here simply tap on adapt sound and make sure it is turned on. Now from here, to boost the high frequency, simply select this option under 30-year-old and it will provide you adapt sound and clear voice. If you have done all these settings and are still facing the low call volume issue, then let's see the next method. So for that, go back. Now go to Play Store and here tap Volume Booster Goodiv. This one, and simply install it. Once this volume booster application is installed, go back, find the app. Here it is, simply open it. Now from here, you can set the volume and you can boost according to your requirement. So that's it guys, this is how you can easily fix low call volume issue and increase incoming call volume on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.